How to set Gmail signature on mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set Gmail signature on mobile. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to the app library and search for Gmail. Simply launch the Gmail application. Once you do so, you're going to go to these three horizontal lines at the top left, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on settings. So once you do so, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So if you're using an Android device instead of iOS, you're going to simply select your account that you want to add signature to. So once done, you're going to simply scroll down. If you're using iOS, you don't have to select the account. You'll be simply redirected to an interface like this. So scroll down, you'll be able to see signature settings. Click on it. And then you're going to enable mobile signature. Simply toggle it on and type down your signature. For example, I'm going to type it down, and after that, click on done. Now, every single email that you compose and send will contain the signature that you just added at the bottom of the email. So that is basically how you can set Gmail signature on mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.